up, everyone? Emerald Creeper here, and today we're looking and I am reacting, and we are looking to more weird animals. So yeah, the reaction video actually did pretty well. So I decided, I should do this again. So yeah. So our first weird animal is this. Look at it. It's like a deer, kind of. It has a very small head. It's called the Gerenuk. Just look at it. So if you want to learn more about these, go online and search their names. And this is the Gerenuk. Okay, next animal. I mean, this is pretty weird. Ugh. Like it. And here is our next one. Kind of cute. It's kind of cute, actually. It's kind of a cute one. Just see? Can you see its eyes? It's kind of cute. I like it. It doesn't say what it is, so can't really tell you right now. Next. Ooh, I think I might know what this is. Look at this. I think this is called the tardigrade, the smallest animal in the world. Well, I'm not sure about that, but I think that's what it's called. I have no idea. But on to our next one. Oh, it's so cute! Look at it. Just a small little Honduran white bat. I would love for that guy to jump out of me. I want to keep it as a pet. Oh my God, is this real? Is this real right now? This isn't real. No way. There is no way this is real. So if you watch Exploding TNT's videos, you in weird comments that he has done so far, there would be a pug gorilla, and it's actually here. The pug gorilla is here. Even the picture he has is right there. Go check out Exploding TNT's channel. Tell him I shouted him out. But look, the pug gorilla. There's no way that exists. Next, a sloth. I wouldn't say that's really a weird animal. It's only a sloth. Moving on. Now this. Oh. This I would be terrified of. You know what it looks like? It looks like a penguin mixed with a golbat. A golbat is something from Pokemon, if you don't know what a golbat is. But, yeah. It looks like a penguin golbat. If I get it, where is it? There it is. Look at its teeth. You can tell that it looks like a golbat. What is it called? It's even called a weird golbat. On to the next one. This. Not the thing behind it, but the bird. It's not that weird. It's actually kind of cute. So yeah. I think it's the bird anyway. Yeah, the super bird of paradise. Next, what the heck is this? Look at that giraffe. Yeah, moving on. Oh. Oh, I don't know what to say about this. It's terrifying. This gives me the creeps. I don't want to look at it anymore. Oh, it's kind of cute. It's not really, but the picture here, the one on the bottom, that's cute. But not this one. Oh, really? Oh, ew, oh. Do I have to show you guys? I guess I do. Oh. It has like an extra eyeball. The eyeballs are ripped out and it has like an extra. Sort of. Aw, this is kind of cute. It's kind of like a bee mixed with the deer. Oh my god. Warning, with anyone with arachnophobia, do not look at this. Unless you're really brave and you have arachnophobia, do not look at this at all. But here it is. Looks like a rainbow spider. Oh, wait, so this terrifying guy, don't know what it's called. This also don't know what's the next one is also don't know what it's called. That fish also don't know what it's called. The deer is the zebra duiker. Good name. And what the? This is a tufted deer. Look at its teeth. Okay, we'll do one more line, like one more row. Oh, it's creepy but cute. I think it's called the Penteris. What the? This looks like a blue dart frog mixed with a baby turtle. Some of these animals are really creepy. I don't like it. Oh god. Now, this is an actual sea animal though. This. Right there. It's a sea animal. Pretty creepy. It looks like a lobster actually. Because there's its claws, there's its head. It actually looks like a lobster. Oh, this is a sun bear. It's a sun bear. The sun bears are pretty cool, but this is an Irrawaddy dolphin. Look at it. It's creepy. It's like something on it. You guys can't really see it, but it's like black stuff on it. So I think that's going to end the reaction video to weird animals. I'm going to go to my favorite right now. And my favorite, it's tie between Pug Gorilla, a beautiful Pug Gorilla, and the Penguin Golbat. So that is going to end reacting to weird animals and my reaction video too. So hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more, and smash it. Smash them, or no, don't smash them. Just lightly put your animal's paw on the subscribe button or like button, and bye.